Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today we have another modification for the C7 Z06, trying to bring a little more C7 content for you guys. It's been predominantly C8 for so long. So today we're going to do another product from AMT Custom Designs. This is another one that I really like. We did it on the C8. This is the C7 Z06 door sill for my C7 Corvette. So let's go ahead and get those installed right now. Before we go ahead and install these door sills, I do want to go ahead once again and just show you how great this engine bay looks. All of this product right here that you see, all this custom color matching, like right here, these two pieces, all are from AMT Custom Designs. The fluid covers, which are really cool, because check this out. You just pull it off right there. There is the cap, and then bam, it sticks down with the magnets on there. And I mean, how great does this cover look right there? That is absolutely beautiful. So anyway, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do today is we're going to cover up all of this chrome. You know, I'm not really a fan of the chrome look. I usually try to cover it up with something carbon fiber or something carbon flash, whatever. And so today we are going to install right here this Z06 so that it is color matched with the Z06 logo supercharged right there. We're going to go ahead and get these installed. So you see my old friend, double-sided tape right here. So we'll get that pulled off. But before, I'm going to go ahead and just wipe this down with some isopropyl alcohol just to kind of get it cleaned up so that there's no, hand grease, any body oils or anything like that on there. So this double-sided tape will stick better, and then we'll see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get that done right now. So as you can see, I've pulled all of the double-sided backing tape off. We're going to just go ahead and set this into place right here. Gotta get it lined up. Pressed all into there. And then we're going to just push it down. And then grab my little paper towel right here. Push it in. And voila, all done. Very nice. So what do you guys think? I think these turned out really good. I am a big fan of anything that's not chrome. So, although I do like some chrome wheels, but I don't like chrome on the interior that much, and definitely don't like it on the door sills. So I think this looks a lot better. Plus, of course, look how good that color, that paint matches. And this is not a decal. I just want you guys to see that this is underneath the clear coating. This isn't a sticker that's been placed on the top of here. So I think this has turned out really good. We're going to go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll take a look at both of them. Okay, so the driver's side is done. Looking good. A little Vette Syndicate sticker on the back of the C7. We need to get more of those for the C8. But anyway, there you go. And the passenger side. Also, I wanted to show you the ones that are carbon fiber, also from AMT Custom Designs. Very nice. And if you guys have seen my engine bay, it's quite impressive as well. But hey, that's going to do it. So again, I really wanted to showcase this one more time. It just looks so good. Because it's new, I'm super excited about it. So I can't wait for our next Corvette event. I believe is going to be May 31st. It's going to be in Bedford, Texas. So if you guys are in the DFW area, should be May 31st. Steve and I will have another Corvette takeover. It should be also, again, let me make sure we post it down the road. Well, we will definitely be posting it down the road, but it should be May 31st at Texas Harley. We're looking at doing like 9 a.m. to 11:30, I believe, and it's going to be a lot of fun. That place, we've done several of them before. Perfect parking lot for all the cars. So anyway, it's going to be a blast. Anyway, more details to come, but that's going to do it for today's video. Hope everybody enjoyed this. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.
If you're looking for the best insurance to protect your Corvette, look no further than National Corvette Museum Insurance. Unlike other car insurance companies, their collector vehicle policies feature customizable mileage options and are anchored in agreed value. Just click the link below, mention Vette Syndicate, and start your free quote today.